In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chats on Connecteam. If you need to clean up a conversation, remove a message that was sent by mistake, or completely delete a team chat or channel, Connecteam gives you a few different options depending on your role. It's important to know that regular users and admins can delete individual messages, but deleting an entire team chat or channel is only available to admins and must be done from the desktop dashboard. Let's start from the Connecteam launchpad. Once you're in, the first thing to understand is the difference between deleting a single message and deleting a full chat. Deleting a single message is useful when you only want to remove one specific item from a conversation. Deleting a full channel or team chat is more permanent and is usually used for housekeeping or when a group is no longer needed. If you want to delete an individual message from the desktop dashboard, open the chat feature from the left sidebar, then open the conversation where the message is located. Once you find the message you want to remove, hover your cursor over it. A small icon will appear. Click that icon and then choose Delete for everyone. This removes the message from the conversation, so make sure you're selecting the correct one before confirming. If you're using the mobile app instead, the process is very similar, but the action is done with a long press. Open the chat feature and go into the relevant conversation. Find the message you want to delete, then press and hold it for about 2 seconds. A pop-up menu will appear. From there, tap Delete for everyone. This is a quick option if you're on the go and need to remove a message right away. Now, if you're an admin and your goal is to delete an entire channel or team chat, you'll need to use the desktop dashboard. In the left sidebar, go to Chat. After that, open the Manage Teams and Channels tab. This is where you can view the group chats and channels that have been set up in the workspace. Hover over the chat you want to remove, and then click the trash icon on the right side. As a final tip, always double check whether you want to delete just one message or the entire chat, because those actions serve very different purposes. And if you don't see the option to delete a full chat, it usually means you're not using an admin account. That's it. You now know how to delete chats on Connecteam.